So this has been a day of intense emotion, sadness, and an overwhelming sense of loss. But there has also been peace and, more importantly, some acceptance that those 29 brave men will not be coming home. Sadly, families will face a future without fathers, brothers, partners and sons. This is a story which has not yet been fully explained. We still don't know why the tragedy happened. But at least today, the West Coast community and our entire country has been able to mourn and to say thank you for the lives of those lost at Pike River. We thank you for joining us for this very special and very important broadcast. From Greymouth, goodbye.